Hello and welcome. My name is Vakile. Today we're going to deal with the 8-string guitar fretboard on my MacBook Pro here. And you're going to find out it's going to be easy after looking at it on the MacBook Pro here. So we're going to deal with the tuning first. Find out how the 8-string guitar is tuned in the standard tuning. We'll show in the later stages the other types of tunings that we have on the 8-string guitar. But today is the tuning. Without further ado, let's get onto it and see what we have on the fretboard. Just on the MacBook Pro. Just like I told you, I'm gonna look at the 8-string fretboard here, and here's a diagram here of the 8-string, and from the thinnest string, this is string number 1, string number 2, string number 3, string number 4, string number 5, and here is string number 6, string number 7, and string number 8. And the tuning pegs are on this left side here, and where these two dots are, we have our 12th fret here. Okay, so let me label the frets. Go to there, go to my frets, and then I put labels on the frets so that you can see what's going on there. So this is it. So it labels. This is fret number 3 here, fret number 5, 7, 8, 9, and 12 here. So I've labeled the frets with dots there, or with markers, which are called fret markers. Those dots there, this dot, that dot, that. So they mark the 3rd fret, 5th fret here, and 7th fret, and 9th fret, and 12th fret. Now, what we're going to do here, we're going to look at the tuning first, the tuning of the 8-string guitar. Now we're going to place some dots in there. So the other thing we're going to do, we're going to go back to there, and okay, I'm good there. So I'm going to put let's go to the open. I'm going to put the notes there. So that string, that first string is the E string. Okay, the second string is the B string. Okay, the 3rd string is the G string, the 4th string is the D string, the 5th string is the A string. So just here we have the 6th string, which is the E here. Now you can see this is standard tuning. We still have our standard tuning. Now if we want to continue in standard tuning, we have, because it's going up in the cycle of fifths, so we have to put a 5th above E there, which is our B, and a 5th above B is our F sharp. So this is the tuning of the 8-string guitar, and you can check with the fifth fret. Let's check it on 5th fret and 12th fret. Okay, so here we have our that's a 5th above, and here we go, a 5th above A. That's an E, C, G, D, A, E, and that's our B there. So that's the fifth fret there. And then we go to the 12th fret, where we have an octave, which is E, B, G, D, A, E, B, and F sharp. So there we go. We have our tuning there. So you can either tune it. Normally you tune it on the using the 5th fret there, 5th fret, and then you use that 5th fret there, And then you can check out the octaves here on the 12th fret. Okay, 12th fret, which is right here. Now you can expand this to 24, but for the time being we're dealing with the 12th fret. Now, as you can see, as you go from thinnest string to thickest string, that's a cycle of fifths. Okay, so what it means is, if I'm coming to F sharp is a fifth above B, and B is a fifth above E, and E is a fifth above A, and A is a fifth above D, and D is a fifth above G, and G is a fifth above. Here is where it comes. It kind of breaks down. It's a fifth above C, which is here. So there's this second string is tuned. According to standard tuning, it's tuned a fret below. So you have to go up a little bit. So it's G is a fifth above C, and C is a fifth above F. So here's how it goes. Now, if you want to take the same thing here, so this thing applies throughout. B is a fifth above E. You can actually read that bid GC. Now, when you get to this C, C is a fifth above F, and F is a fifth above B flat. Okay, so this is bid GC F B flat. That's the cycle of fifths. Now, if you want to continue the cycle of fifths for the flatted notes, all you do is pretty simple. You come up here, you put your B flat. You put your let's go to the E string, which is that one. You put your B flat there, and you go on D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and it bends to there, F sharp, and back to B. Okay, so back to B means you're right here again. So this is it goes bid. Let's remove this one. It's called bid G C F B flat. Then it go B flat. What we can do with these notes that are sharped here, we can actually go back. Let's go to this. Let's go to this. I'll escape here, and if you want, we can actually change them to so that it becomes E flat there. We want it to read nice, so that we can have a mnemonic there. We can have a mnemonic there. So here's how it goes. It goes bid G C F B flat. Then you come up here on the sixth string. Let's remove that. On the sixth string, which is E string, there, it's another bid, but with flats now. Bid G. Okay. Now all you need to do on this B here, you need to go back to B and put a C flat there for it to sound as a good mnemonic. Okay. So you have on the fifth string, bid G C, then we go to the sixth fret, F, then B again. Now you come up to the sixth string, you repeat that bid with flats now, G C, and the next one's gonna be that's C flat. C flat is when everything has been flatted. So that's actually the maximum there that you can go. So this is the cycle of fifths here, as you can see. So you move along this, you turn there on the second string, and you get to B flat, and then you back up to the E string. You go down until you get to the third string, and then you bend there because of the idiosyncrasy tuning there. Get to G flat and C flat. That's the end of your cycle of fifths. So when someone talks about cycle of fifths, he's talking about this one here. So these are all the notes that you have, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You can repeat some of them to be sharp so that you have 15 notes. But this is essentially what we have. Okay. So this is it. This is the tuning of the 8-string guitar. Thank you very much. Yeah, welcome back. So that was it there, the presentation on the MacBook Pro here. And you have seen how the tuning is done. And that knowledge, or the knowledge of that fretboard, can lead you into some better playing, because you know what you're doing on the fretboard and you know what the notes are, and you can easily formulate your scale shapes, the pentatonic scale shapes, major scale shapes, and those are the few things that we're going to look at on the fretboard, and then we demonstrate them on the 8-string guitar. My name is Vakile. Thank you very much for watching. Could you please give me a feedback on this type of lesson so that I may see whether I should continue with this or I just get on to the fretboard and play it. Thank you very much. Could you please subscribe to this channel? Bye.